This is a 2007 Range Rover Sport that has been dead for over 2 years. 2 years of nothing, 2 years of dust, and 2 years of silence. And today is the day that you bring it back to life. Guess what? With a Chinese engine.
China, 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 China.
You see, at some point in life, this was actually one of the most over-engineered cars of its era. I know what most of you are thinking. Why put a Chinese engine in it? Well, let me explain. Apart from gambling away my life savings and being a man of science, this is the reason behind it.
In my factory, many in my factory.
Damn, what is that, bro? Yeah, boy. That's it. That lovely?
You see, after 2 years of total negligence, things start to go wrong pretty fast. From the exterior, we may need to do some new repairs. From the brake discs, completely new tires, and the worst nightmare of them all, new air suspension. Lucky enough for us, this car already had a wrap on it, so we do not need to do any paint modification or any new wrap on it. Will this turn out to be a complete nightmare or a blessing in disguise? Let's find out.
All you with me.